Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year 2022. In this video, I would like to discuss 5 stocks that you should consider buying and why you should buy these stocks or cryptocurrency, hint hint. We saw the S&P 500 gain a stunning 27% the year of 2021. So this is the number to beat. I hope you guys had a good portfolio for 2021, but let's make an even better portfolio for 2022. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into stock number 1, which is my favorite, and I've definitely talked a lot about the stock on my channel, and it is Tesla. Tesla is currently trading at $1,064. Tesla, as many of you know, is an American electric vehicle company based now in Austin, Texas, after Elon Musk relocated it from California. They develop electric cars, solar panels, solar roof. It's one of the world's most valuable companies out there and the world's most valuable automaker, and with a market cap of $1 trillion. Tesla delivered almost 1 million EVs worldwide in 2021. 2022 will for sure surpass this, maybe even more, and surprise us. Tesla's Model 3 was actually the UK's second most popular new car in 2021. The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders described 2021 as being the most successful year in history for electric vehicle uptake. While the figure for electric vehicles look promising, the overall market is challenging. Tesla currently has a Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, along with their solar roof and solar panels. They are currently making the Cybertruck, and their newest edition, Model S Plaid, is becoming a hit. Tesla started trading back in 2011, and here we can see the chart of its yearly gain, was starting at 7.52%, the most being 2 years ago in 2020, where the stock gained over 743%. Last year in 2021, it almost gained 50%. It had one losing year in 2016, which was down 10.97%. Tesla is hitting the news all the time, is very trending on social media, and I think it's going to be a good hold and a buy for 2022. The next stock is Aapl, AAPL, currently trading at $172. Aapl is a multinational technology company specializing in consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. It has a variety of products including the Mac, the iPad, iPhone, watch, AirPods, TV and home, and other accessories. Aapl recently became the first U.S. company to reach $3 trillion in market cap. This happened earlier this week, and Aapl actually grew more than 30% the year of 2021. This is because Apple's cash flow makes the stock a safe haven during the time of market uncertainty. Aapl still continues to become a reliable company, makes investors happy, good dividends, and for sure I'll keep buying the Aapl stock for 2022. Next, we have Nvidia, which is currently trading at $281.78. This is a chip company based in California. Nvidia designs graphics processing units, or GPUs, for the gaming and professional market, as well as System on Chips unit, or SoCs, for mobile computing and the automotive market. We had a chip shortage in 2022, which screwed over the auto industry as well as other industry, and Nvidia as well as other chip companies became a hit in 2021. The metaverse is also a hot topic. Since Facebook changed its name to Meta, Nvidia plays an essential role in the metaverse because with this chip, the GPU, it has this critical component of the chip to power these virtual worlds that will soon to be happen. Looking at Nvidia's yearly return, started trading at the year of 2000. It has a good track history, with the most year being 2001 with a 308% return. In 2020, it returned 121.93%, and last year in 2021, it gained over 125%. With the metaverse a hot topic, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, automakers needing chips, Nvidia, I believe, will still continue to outperform and get those chips to the companies that need them the most. The fourth stock is Mataport, currently trading at $16.30, and it recently started trading last year in 2021. You use Mataport in virtual reality real estate. Imagine visiting a property in virtual reality. you experience the bedroom, the bathroom, the living room, the outside, and all around the house. This is made possible with their new technology that scans the entire house. So instead of visiting the real estate property in the physical world, you can visit it in virtual reality. A little bit about this Mataport. We have this website here. Here is this camera, this Mataport camera, the 3D space capture, and this all-in-one platform that they have. You can add notes to the virtual reality, give it a dollhouse view, matter tags, measure. So if you want the kitchen counter, if you want the bedroom sizes, it will all be there. Blur brush to protect the privacy of faces or any personal information, and matter pack. You download, edit, import high resolution digital assets from the Matterport cloud. Here you can see that you're given a virtual reality tour from this Matterport house. With this amazing AI technology, you can get your house published in a 3D model. MTTR stock also had a recent acquisition with Nvidia, sending the Matterport stock higher. Matterport will play an important role in the metaverse because in the metaverse you will experience things in virtual reality, and Matterport does exactly that. It did take a 36% plunge in December, but this is a great dip to buy in my opinion. And if we see the metaverse become a big hit in 2022, Matterport will definitely play an important role in that trend. And the final investment is Ethereum. It is currently trading at $3,382.43. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. Ether is the cryptocurrency of the platform and the second highest crypto market capitalization behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin Ether prices fall along with tech stocks. There's been a trend that I found in 2021 where the Bitcoin and Ethereum prices, they have almost a direct correlation with all the tech stocks like Apple, Tesla, Nasdaq. So be on the lookout for that for 2022. The cryptocurrency market is also plunging today as of January 6th because the minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee, the FOMC, is in favor of raising short-term rates sooner or at a faster pace than participants had earlier anticipated, according to the CME Group. The rate of return for Ethereum in 2018 down 82%, 2019 down 8%, 2020 up 464.1%, 2021 almost up 400%. As more and more people get interested into the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, which I think Ethereum is a better option, will trend up as regulators and institutional investors start getting cryptocurrencies in their assets. So those are my top 5 investment picks for 2022. This is what I'll be doing in the next few weeks. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.